It's a Saturday in June, and today we're going to do this loop from Fisherman's Wharf, taking the cable car up near Nob Hill, and then walking through Chinatown and North Beach. We're about to jump on the cable car first, so starting off in Ghirardelli Square. Okay, so we just got off the cable car at Powell and Sacramento, and now we're walking towards Nob Hill, and we're gonna check out the Grace Cathedral and maybe the Fairmount Hotel, kind of a cool hotel, and then we will go to the Cable Car Museum. Those are our next stops. Okay, so we just got done at the Cable Car Museum, learned a little bit more about the cable cars we rode on, which was really cool. Now we are gonna go through Chinatown and check out the Golden Gate Fortune Cookie Factory, where fortune cookies were invented. So, on we go. Alright, so we just went through the North Beach Festival down Columbus, and we stopped for lunch at Sotomari for some Italian seafood, which was really good. And now we're in Washington Square Park. I believe that's what it's called. And then I think this is St. Peter and Paul's Church, which has some historical significance, I think. But we're gonna go and check it out, and then we're gonna loop over to Coit Tower, which is directly behind me that way. Just started heading up Telegraph Hill to Coit Tower. See the bay behind me. And we're just going up a little bit of an incline here. So next stop is Coit Tower. Alright, so we tried to go up in Coit Tower, but the elevator's broken. You have to walk up 250 flights of stairs, and you still gotta pay $10. So we've been up there before, so we're gonna pass on it today. And now we're gonna walk down Napier Lane, I think. We're gonna walk down some steps to the Embarcadero. We just got done with the Filbert steps, and we're walking through Levi Plaza, about to hit the Embarcadero and take a streetcar back to Fisherman's Wharf, where we parked a car. Okay, so we are back in Ghirardelli Square. Kind of finished our loop, and we were gone for most of the day. I'll have to see how much time it took us to do this route, but we're going back to our car and cruising back home to Santa Clara.